What's up guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best juicers for making almond milk on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. Ido Cold Press Juicer. The Ido Cold Press Juicer is here to revolutionize your juicing experience. This masticating juicer is packed with features that make it stand out in the market. The Ido Slow Masticating Juicer is not a one-trick pony. With its 3 extraction modes, you can confidently juice a wide range of vegetables and fruits. The soft mode is perfect for soft fruits like oranges, watermelons, grapes, and berries. If you're craving a glass of juice from harder produce such as apples, pears, carrots, beets, celery, ginger, or kale, switch to the hard mode. These modes not only ensure high purity juice but also reduce the rate of oxidation, preserving the freshness and flavor of your juice. Additionally, the Ido juicer has a reverse function, preventing any unfortunate jams and ensuring you can enjoy delicious juice with ease. The heart of any juicer is its auger, and the Ido juicer doesn't disappoint. Its upgraded auger is designed to maximize your juicer's yield while retaining an abundance of nutrients and minimizing oxidation. What's more, you won't have to worry about disturbing the peace in your home. The motor operates at less than 60 decibels, ensuring a quiet juicing experience. To add an extra layer of safety, the juicer stops automatically after every 20 minutes of operation, preventing overheating and extending the life of your machine. Say goodbye to the hassle of complicated disassembly. The Ido juicer features a convenient one-button disassembly design, making cleanup a breeze. To make things even easier, it comes with a cleaning brush, ensuring your juicer stays pristine for your next use. The best part? Many of the parts are dishwasher safe, saving you even more time and effort. Number 2. Omega Cold Press Juicer Machine. The Omega Cold Press Juicer Machine is here to make your juicing experience healthier and more versatile. The Omega Cold Press Juicer operates at a slow and steady 80 revolutions per minute. This deliberate pace minimizes heat buildup and oxidation during the juicing process. As a result, it ensures that you get the most out of your ingredients by preserving the maximum nutrients and healthy enzymes. Say goodbye to nutrient loss and hello to healthier, more vibrant juices. This electric juicer is not limited to just making juice. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. Whether you want to turn nuts into creamy nut butter, extrude pasta for a homemade Italian feast, grind coffee and spices for a flavorful kick, mince herbs and garlic for a burst of flavor, prepare baby food, or whip up delicious frozen desserts, this machine has you covered. You can even make your own soy milk for a dairy-free alternative. It's an all-in-one nutrition system that elevates your culinary capabilities. The Omega Cold Press Juicer utilizes dual-stage masticating technology, ensuring that you get the most out of your fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and even wheatgrass. This technology extracts the maximum amount of nutrients, vitamins, flavor, and juice from minimal amounts of produce. It's the secret to enjoying rich, vibrant, and nutrient-packed beverages. Not all ingredients are created equal, and that's where the adjustable end cap comes into play. It features 5 pressure settings designed to ensure maximum juice output and extraction, regardless of what you're juicing. With an automatic pulp ejection system, you can enjoy continuous juicing without interruptions, making the process smoother and more convenient. Despite its quiet operation, the Omega Cold Press Juicer is equipped with a gear reduction that's equivalent to a 2 HP motor. This generates enough torque to process even tough ingredients, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Additionally, the juicer features an extra-large feed tray, reducing the need for constant ingredient preparation, and it comes with a built-in handle for convenient portability. The Omega Cold Press Juicer Machine is the answer to your quest for healthier, more flavorful juices and an array of culinary possibilities. Its slow and deliberate juicing process, versatility, nutrient-maximizing technology, customization options, and powerful operation set it apart as a must-have kitchen appliance. Elevate your juicing and cooking experiences with the Omega Cold Press Juicer Machine and unlock the full potential of your ingredients. Number 3. Tribest Green Star Juicer. When it comes to making fresh, nutritious juice, the Tribest Green Star Juicer is in a league of its own. This revolutionary electric juice extractor is designed to provide you with the freshest, highest quality juices while preserving essential nutrients. At the heart of the Tribest Green Star juicer are its innovative stainless steel twin gears. These gears are designed to mimic the human mastication system, ensuring that every drop of juice is extracted from your produce. What sets this juicer apart are the unique points, pocket recesses, and cutting positions on these gears. They work in harmony to grind and extract juice effectively, resulting in a higher quality and more nutrient-rich juice. One of the standout features of this electric juice extractor is its ability to preserve living enzymes and essential vitamins. By using twin gears, the Green Star juicer minimizes nutrient degradation, ensuring that you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables. Say goodbye to nutrient loss and hello to healthier, fresher tasting juices. The Tribest Green Star juicer isn't just limited to making juice. Number 4. Ventre Slow Press Masticating Juicer Machine. The Ventre Slow Press Masticating Juicer Machine is here to revolutionize your juicing experience. This innovative juicer is designed to preserve the nutrients of your ingredients while offering a range of convenient features. The Ventre Masticating Juicer operates with precision, gently squeezing the ingredients to extract the juice while retaining the essential taste, texture, and, most importantly, the nutrients. The slow press mechanism minimizes heat buildup and oxidation, ensuring that every drop of juice is packed with the goodness you seek from your fruits and vegetables. One of the standout features of the Ventre juicer is its 3-inch angled feeding chute. This design allows you to easily feed larger pieces of produce into the machine. No more time-consuming chopping and preparation. With Ventre, you can quickly and effortlessly turn your favorite ingredients into nutritious juice. Getting the most juice out of your fruits and vegetables is a priority for health-conscious individuals. The Ventre juicer is equipped with a precisely crafted mesh filter and a powerful ultimauger that work together to maximize your juice yield. Every ingredient you put into the machine is utilized to its fullest potential, minimizing waste and ensuring you enjoy every drop of goodness. Personal preferences vary when it comes to the texture of juice. The Ventre juicer offers flexibility by completely separating the pulp from the juice to guarantee high yields. If you prefer a bit of texture in your juice, you have the option to add some pulp back into your juice. This level of customization ensures that you get the perfect texture for your taste. Ventre stands behind the quality and durability of its juicer. With a 12-month original manufacturer warranty and an impressive 60-month warranty on the powerful motor, you can have peace of mind that your investment is protected. Number 5. Chefwave Milkmaid Non-Dairy Milk Maker. For those seeking an easy and delicious way to enjoy non-dairy milk alternatives at home, the Chefwave Milkmaid Non-Dairy Milk Maker is the ultimate kitchen companion. With its versatility, health benefits, and user-friendly features, it offers a revolution in homemade milk alternatives. The Chefwave Milkmaid is your gateway to a world of non-dairy milk alternatives. This 6-in-1 machine offers one-touch preset programs to create a variety of milks, including almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, cashew milk, macadamia milk, and coconut milk. But it doesn't stop there. You can customize your flavors, adding a touch of vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or any other flavor you desire. This level of versatility allows you to tailor your milk alternatives to your specific taste preferences. What sets the Chefwave Milkmaid apart is its pressurized steam, heat, and blend technology. This combination effectively eliminates the enzyme inhibitors found in raw ingredients, ensuring that the milk you produce is safe to consume. The result is non-dairy milk that's rich in essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. It's also naturally lactose-free, making it an ideal choice for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. One of the standout features of the Chefwave Milkmaid is its convenience. You'll find that there's no need for extensive prep work or messy cleanup. The machine even includes an auto-clean function, simplifying the maintenance process. If you're always on the go, the delay start option allows you to plan your milk making in advance, ensuring you have fresh, homemade milk when you need it. To make storage a breeze, a glass pitcher is included, allowing for easy and quick storage. With the Chefwave Milkmaid, you have the flexibility to choose batch sizes that suit your needs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe.